I'm looking after some hens today. This is what they like to eat. It's corn. Hens love it. Listen, can you hear a cheeping sound? It's coming from over here. Come with me. They're chicks, and they're only a few days old. Hello. Isn't she cute? They've got very soft feathers. When they grow up, they'll look just like the hens outside. Oh, listen. It's the house. There must be a story to tell.
Step inside all those who love stories. Look and listen. We've tales to tell of fun, excitement, magic, adventure, tears, fears and laughter. Surprises as well. Step inside.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Mopple.
Hello, Mr. Mopple.
Oh, Boris, what a big yawn.
He's tired because he was up all night sorting his books.
I wanted to make sure they were all in the right place on my shelves.
So that you can find them easily.
Yeah, that's the idea.
We saw you outside with the hens, Mr. Mopple, and it reminded Boris of one of his stories.
Did it, Boris? Where is it then?
Now I did know. Now where did I put it?
You only sorted them last night, Boris. You must know where it is.
Be patient, Twinkle. Don't hurry him.
If he went any slower, he'd stop.
Ah, here it is. I found it. Stand back, Mr. Mopple.
Thank you, Boris. It's called Chicken Chips and Peas.
Ooh.
Fast Fox wakes up. He wants his supper. Chicken, chips and peas. Mother Hen wakes up. Her chickens want their supper. Corn, corn and corn. Slow Dog wakes up and goes back to sleep again. Fast Fox looks in his freezer. Chips, yes. Peas, yes. But no chicken. Mother Hen looks in her cupboard. The chickens look too, but no corn. Slow Dog looks nowhere. The chickens go out to find some corn. Fast Fox goes out to find some chickens.
Uh-oh!
Slow Dog yawns. Then the chickens find the corn. And look, it's a trap. Fast Fox is tipping corn out of his bag. And Fast Fox finds them.
Oh, no!
Fast Fox chases the chickens.
Run, chickens, run!
Mother Hen chases Fast Fox. Slow Dog chases nobody. Fast Fox catches the chickens and Mother Hen too.
Oh!
He puts them in his supper sack and hurries home.
He's got them all in his bag.
Then, out of the starry sky, a big slow dog falls on Fast Fox and knocks him flat.
Hooray!
So the story ends. The chickens get corn for supper and a bedtime story. Slow Dog gets a pat on the head and a biscuit from Mother Hen. Fast Fox gets a lump on the head, a black eye and a long walk home.
Serves him right.
He gets his supper too. Chips, yes. Peas, yes. But no chicken. The end.
Oh dear. I think Boris slept through most of the story, Mr. Mopple. How rude of him. I'm so sorry.
Oh, it doesn't matter, Chloe. He's tired. I'll try to put the book back without waking him up.
I'll find the book in a minute, Mr. Mopple.
You found it, Boris. We've read it, and I've put it back.
Oh, oh, jolly good.
We'll have to call him Slow Boris, just like Slow Dog in the story.
Keep your voice down, Twinkle. Boris is sleeping.
I'll creep away quietly. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye, Mr. Mopple.
Goodbye, Mr. Mopple. Bong! Sorry, Boris. I didn't mean to bong.
Go. All that talk of chips and peas has made me hungry. Oh, and I've forgotten to feed the chicks. Hello. I'm sorry, you must be hungry. There you are. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.